What's up, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt Season 2, Episode 223, and Sean had a great question. Sean's question was, Matt, I was watching your live the other night, and you were showing the vinyl car window decals. And when you did the vinyl car window decals, you were showing the light board, and when you were weeding the decal, you were saying how you could see everything so much easier. It made the weeding easier, but in the live, we couldn't really see that. So is there any way you could show up close in a video how you can see those cut lines better and how it's going to save you time? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the light board here real quick. I'm going to show you the difference of what I was actually seeing with a little bit more of a close-up. But seeing those cut lines, not having to pay attention, you know, a lot of times you look at your screen and you're trying to figure out what to weed and what not to weed, and then you're picking different areas to see if you're hitting that spot or not. That light board just makes it pop out to make it easy to see, makes it easy to weed. You're going to save a lot of time. Let's say you save 30 seconds per decal. Shoot, 100 decals, that's a lot of time, right? So let's go check it out. All right, so now I want to show you the difference of the light board versus no light board. So you can see with no light board, I'm trying to show you the cut lines here, but it's really, really hard to see them. You see, even as I go really low there next to it, really difficult to see. But watch, as soon as I turn the light board on full, look at all those cut lines just come out. So now you can see all of those cut lines. Really good to know exactly where you need to weed. See the difference there? And that's why this is going to save you so much time when it comes to weeding. All right, so that's it. We just weeded this off Bomb Mom decal. You can see how easy it was. You can see how you could see those cut lines a lot easier, which is going to save you guys a lot of time. So I do have the link to these light boards. We don't sell them on our website, but I do have the link directly to this light board. There's a bunch of different ones I've tried. This is by far the best one. I've returned probably 5 different ones that didn't work as good, that didn't light up enough. But link in the description below if you want to check that out. Save some time. That $43 or whatever it is will pay for itself like that. But thanks for watching, guys. You guys are amazing. Sean, thanks for the question. Make sure to click that like button right there. Make sure to click that subscribe button right there. Subscribe there. And if you missed yesterday's Ask Matt, right over there next to the rhinestone shoe still. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Kansas City tomorrow, baby. Later.